everyone, welcome to Food and Spices. Today we'll be showing you how to make chicken puff pastries. अगर आप ये वीडियो उर्दू में देखना चाहें तो नीचे दिए हुए लिंक पे क्लिक कीजिए. To make these chicken puff pastries, you will be needing these ingredients. 3 chicken breasts or 3 cups of pre-cooked and shredded chicken breast, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, salt as per your taste or a 1/4 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 medium onion, 1.5 teaspoon of crushed red chili, 2 sheets of puff pastry. Let's begin. Heat up oil in a pan on low to medium heat and add the onions and cook for a few minutes, then add the ginger garlic paste. Sauté those for a few minutes and then add the shredded chicken. You can then add all the spices. Mix everything together and add the cornstarch. Mix the cornstarch and add water to let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes. At this point, you can always taste the mixture and make sure the starchiness is no longer there. Once cooked, set the mixture aside and let it cool. You will also be needing an egg wash, for which you can whisk the egg well. Unfold the pastry sheet onto some dry flour and roll it out gently. The sheet is now ready to cut out from. With your desired cutter, you can cut out circles as shown here. We are now ready to assemble the puff pastry. Spread the egg wash onto the first layer, then place the chicken on top. Layer another cutout pastry sheet on top, and repeat the egg wash on top of this layer. You can now add a third layer and seal the top as shown here. Repeat the egg wash on the top layer. Our puff pastry is now ready to bake. You can also seal the top using a fork as shown here. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees and place the puff pastries for 30 to 35 minutes in the oven. This recipe will yield about 16 to 18 puff pastries. Our delicious puff pastries are now ready to enjoy with a cup of tea. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe or hit the bell icon for future recipes.